So here's an update, an hour and a half into the stripping of the MG. Got all these things out. Got the entire cradle out. Bumpers, lights, all of that. So here you can see there's this light is broken over here. And then we've got the fog light also broken on two pieces. Luckily the right hand side, all of these are intact, 100%, nothing wrong there. We bent these two stiffener parts here. That's part of the cradle. So these two are bent. They go in on this piece here. So they have been bent, so it goes in there and it hooks onto the cradle, something like that. So these two are bent, this side and that side. So we need to get two of these. There at the back is the cradle. Not a very good shot. That cradle is also done. Yeah, now it's to remove the fender or the wing. I'm going to remove that next, and then we will know what we are talking about and looking at behind that. You can see at this point here, this is where it is hitting the door. See that it's a bit further in than it needs to be. And what I've noticed as well is this part here also bent a slight bit here as well. So the rest is flat there, it's just on that bolt where it actually bent a bit. All of this is perfectly fine. Here you can see this fender did tear out a bit there, and it had a little dent in there and it pushed the whole fender back into the door. Also the under tray broke off, so there's a piece of that, and there's the under tray. You can see this whole section here broke off at that side. That side is perfectly fine, and the stiffener bar at the front, the crash bar, this is perfectly straight as well.
So what are you guys doing?
He's busy fitting the radiator to the new cradle. Seems to be a bit of a mission currently.
So what is your next step?
Just getting all of these bolts in, getting the cradle secured. That's as far as we can go now. You can see just transferring all of those bolts and clips that are on the broken one, transferring it to this one, seeing that everything is just on this cradle here.
What parts are you waiting for?
Quite a few. Bumper, grille, bonnet, fender, light, fog light. Pretty much what we are waiting for currently. We'll probably get that in the next week or two. For now we're just fitting what we can and what we have. And that's it.
Away now?
Bonnet's on the way, probably be here in a few days. Now we have this problem. One looks. How good this one looks on plastic. Oh, that works. So we're almost done with the cradle installation. Just need to clip in a few extra wires.
What are you still going to do tonight?
This is where this cradle is not going to work this nicely because they close the hole I'm going to need. That hole right there is closed. Right there. I need to drill a hole in the cradle through the fix. Right, we've got the fender liner out and most of the wing. Just a few bolts and clips inside here to take out and to remove, to get those out. One clip at the bottom and probably 1 or 2 bolts at the top as well. Then this wing should come off. So if you've enjoyed watching this, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.